Hello students, to continue the virtual classes or online classes, today I discuss the rationalizations of the denominator. In the previous classes we already discussed that. So today I solve the different type of the questions. The first question is that if root 2 is equal to 1.414, you know very well the square root of the 2 is the 1.414. So the find the value of root 3 divided by root 6 up to the 3 decimal places. So that question is also written that root 3 divided by root 6. So we also written that 3 by 6 because a power n divided by b power n means a by b power n. We also written that where the power is the 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So we also written that or power is 1 by 2 is the change as the square root of that. So we divided, so 1 by under root 2 then we divide, or we also written that form. So we also write down. So denominator is the 1 by denominator is the root 2. So we just rationalize the denominator by the, so under root 2 by 2. The value of root 2 is equal to, putting the value of root 2, so 1.414 divided by 2 equals to 0.707. In excitement, the some students have written that sir 0.77 because 2 sevens are 14, sir, 2 sevens are 14, but that's the wrong because you just multiply by the 2. So what we get? Not 1.414. So just be conscious and not do hurry. So the different type of the questions have the next questions. So the next question, if root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1 equals to a plus b root 3. So find the value of a and b. So first of all we just rationalize that root 3 minus 1 and root 3 plus 1, that is the a b a b. So in that cases, if have the denominator is the a plus b form, then we get the a minus b. So multiply by the root 3 minus 1 because the denominator have also in the form of a plus b or a minus b, because a minus a square minus b square forms will be used for that the denominator as in the rationalization. So if we just a minus b or a minus b, So we also written that root 3 minus 1 का whole square divided by root 3 का square minus 1 का square, because the a plus b and a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So here the root 3 will be assigned the a and b, so a square minus b square. Root 3 का square plus 1 का square minus 2 into root 3 into 1 divided by 3 minus 1. Some students have written that कि sir root 3 minus 1 का whole square is equal to sir 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 का whole square. No, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, because sir root 3 का square is equal to 3, 1 का square is equal to 1, so 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So that's the wrong, because the identity of a minus b is का whole square, a minus b का whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Always, not in a algebra. In any places we use the a plus a minus b का whole square format, so we always the formula a square plus b square minus 2ab. So the value is that 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. So 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. So we take the common as the 2. The 2 minus under root 3 by 2. Cancel. So 2 minus root 3, the LHS. So we just comparing the LHS to RHS. 2 minus root 3 is equal to a plus b root 3. Root 3 is combined. So a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 1. That's the answer. Next question is that if 5 plus under root 3 divided by 7 minus 4 root 3 is equal to 94a plus 3 root 3b. So next, LHS equals to 5 plus root 3 divided by 7 minus 4 root 3. So you just multiply by the 7 plus 4 root 3 divided by 7 minus 7 plus 4 root 3. So what? You just multiply that. 35 plus 20 root 3 plus 7 root 3 plus 12, because root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3, 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So 7 का square minus 4 root 3 का square, then 4 root 3 into 4 root 3. So 4 4 जा 16, root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3, is equal to 48. So minus 48. So 35 plus 12, 47 plus 20 root 3 plus 7 root 3 बराबर 27 root 3 divided by 1. Because 7 का square is equal to 49 minus 48 is equal to 1. We written or not we written are the same. So that's the LHS part. So compare that 47 plus 27 root 3 is equal to 94a plus 3 root 3b. So a part is, so 94a equals to 47. So a is equal to 47 by 94. So a is equal to 1 by 2. Then comparing the second part, root 3 root 3 बराबर 27 root 3. So b is equal to 27 root 3 divided by 3 root 3. So b is equal to 9 or a is equal to 1 by 2. So try to next questions when the both the terms have in a form of the root. Question will be under root 2 plus under root 3 divided by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 equals to a minus b under root 6. So find the value of a and b. So again we take the rationalization of the LHS. So under root 2 plus under root 3 divided by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. So 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. So we multiply by the 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Just multiply that. Root 2 into root 2 बराबर 2. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Root 2 into root 3 बराबर under root 6 plus again we multiply by root 3 into 2 root 3 root 6 again root 3 into root 3 बराबर 3 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 6 divided by 3 root 2 का whole square minus 2 under root 3 का whole square. So 6 plus 6 12 plus 5 root 6 divided by 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18 minus 2 3 2 2 are 4 into 3 12. So 12 plus 5 root 6 by 6. So we also written that 12 by 6 plus 5 by so we compare that 2 2 plus 5 by 6 root 6, that's the LHS, compared with the a minus b under root 6. So a is equal to 2 clearly. So b 5 by 6 root 6 equals to minus b under root 6. So minus b equals to 5 by 6 root 6 divided by root 6, because the root 6 is the product of with the minus b, the root 6 cancel. So minus b is equal to 5 by 6. So we also write down b is equal to minus 5 by 6 or a is equal to 2. Next question is that if x is equal to 2 plus under root 3, then x square plus 1 by x square is equal to what? So the value of x is equal to 2 plus so 1 by x is equal to also written that 2 plus under root 3. So denominator is rationalizing by the 2 minus 2 minus root 3. So 1 by x is equal to 2 minus under root 3 by 4 minus 3. So 1 by x is equal to 2 minus under root 3. Where is the x square and 1 by x square? Either it is putting the value of that or we also the using the algebra. You also put the value of x square is equal to 2 plus under root 3 का whole square plus 2 minus under root 3 का whole square. because a is x square means x का square और 1 by x का whole square is equal to 2 minus root 3 का. So आप also will find the value of 4 plus 3 plus 2 into root 3 plus 4 plus 3 minus 2 into 2 root 3. So 1 plus and minus, then we are terminating. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. The one way, just do be the another way also, using the algebra, because we know that a square plus b square is equal to a plus b का whole square minus 2ab. So there the value of a is equal to x square, b is equal to 1 by x square equals to x plus 1 by x square minus 2 into x into 1 by x. Putting the value of x plus 1 by x. So x, the value of x is equal to 2 plus root 3 plus 1 by x is equal to 2 minus under root 3 whole square minus 2. So 2 plus 2, 4, or root 3 we terminate. So 4 का square minus 2. So 16 minus 2 is equal to 14. Anyone of your process may be used. So the different questions. Question is that if x is equal to 1 by 2 minus under root 3, then find the value of x का cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 5. first of all rationalize that 2 minus root 3, 2 plus root 3 by 2 plus root 3. So 2 plus root 3 by 4 minus 3. So 2 plus root 3. So value of x is equal to 2 plus root 3. So x बराबर 2 plus under root 3. If x minus 2 बराबर under root 3, so squaring the both side, so x square plus 4 minus 2x into the 4x is equal to 3. So x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 3 बराबर 0. So x square minus 4x plus 1 बराबर 0. चलो कोई बात नहीं. Yeah, either we use the x cube means x 2 plus root 3 का whole cube minus 2 plus no, if you just putting the value of x का वैल्यू इज 2 plus root 3 का whole square minus 7 into 2 plus under root 3 plus 5. So what? Due to the some problems, your video will be the discontinued. So after the merging, maybe the something are overlapping. So the again I will just discuss the how to solve that type of the questions. So first of all is the value, find the value of x. So x is equal to 2 plus root 3. Then value of x plus 2 root 3. X is equal to 2 root 3 is putting at that x cube, x square and x. X cube 2x square plus 7x plus 5. Then a minus a plus b का whole cube, a plus b का whole square and so on and so on. So you just watching the video. Then after if any problem, so discuss in the next classes. Thank you.